Good morning, students. We were on chapter number 13, that is project based chapter. I hope all have done the activity and please send me on Saturday. After Saturday, it will not be accepted. So now, bete, we have read about the solar system. That solar system, it contains the 8 planets and the sun. Then we read about moon, the surface of the moon, that it has small holes that are called craters. No air and water is present on the moon. Next is phases of the moon. That is on page number 130 topic. Next topic is phases of the moon. So let's read it. What are phases of the moon? The shape of the moon seems to change every night. The different shapes of the moon are called the phases of the moon. As the moon rotates around the earth, different parts of the moon can be seen from the earth. This is the reason for the phases of the moon. Phases of the moon means the different shapes of the moon. You must have seen that every night the shape of the moon changes. Why it changes? There is a reason behind it. We know that the moon, it rotates around the earth. It is our earth. This is our moon. It is rotating around the earth, and as the moon rotates around the earth, different parts of the moon can be seen from the earth. डिफरेंट पार्ट, जैसे जैसे वो रोटेट करता है वैसे वैसे वो फेस उसका अर्थ को दिखता है. यहां आ गया तो हाफ दिखेगा, यहां आ गया तो फुल दिखेगा, यहां आ गया तो क्वार्टर दिखेगा, ऐसे ऐसे. दैट इज वाई द शेप इट चेंजेस इट्स मून चेंजेस इट्स शेप. दिस इज द रीजन क्यों उसकी शेप चेंज होती जाती है. दैट इज द फेसेस ऑफ द मून. कि मून इट शोज डिफरेंट फेजेस, इट शोज डिफरेंट शेप्स during its rotation around the earth. This is what it is written over here. The shape of the moon seems to change every night. The different shapes of the moon are called the phases of the moon. As the moon rotates around the earth, different parts of the moon can be seen from the earth. This is the reason for the phases of the moon. This is the reason ki why moon changes its shape. See, the picture is given over there in your book, phases of the moon. Different phases are given to you. The moon changes from a new moon. सबसे पहले आता है new moon. New moon is the moon that can hardly be seen. जो हमें दिखता नहीं, totally dark. That is new moon. It is totally dark. That is new moon. The moon changes from a new moon, which can hardly be seen, to a full moon and then back to the new moon in about 29 days. Now see which are the shapes given over here. This half part is dark, half you can see. Then is the crescent shape. Half fully dark, half fully white. This is half moon. This is crescent. Then after that, this is full moon. But a picture is given in your book. First we see the new moon. New moon, it is totally dark. पूरा डार्क है जिसे हम देख नहीं सकते. ब्लैक, that is black. That is new moon. After that, crescent shape. Less than half is white, then more than half is dark. देन अगेन क्रिसेंट शेप एंड देन द हाफ मून। हाफ मून में क्या होता है, हाफ आपको डार्क दिखेगा मून एंड हाफ आपको फुल व्हाइट कलर का दिखेगा। देन more than half will be white and the rest part will be dark and then you will see the full moon। एक ऐसी रात होती है जब आपको पूरा मून दिखता है, दैट इज फुल मून। इस साइकिल को कंप्लीट होने में 29 डेज लगते हैं। इट इज रिटन द मून चेंजेस फ्रॉम ए न्यू मून विच कैन हार्डली बी सीन टू ए फुल मून एंड देन बैक टू द न्यू मून इन अबाउट 29 डेज। न्यू मून से पहले फुल मून आता है, फुल मून से फिर न्यू मून आता है। सो ये पूरा फेज चलता है। इट टेक्स 29। पहले आपको सपोज यू हैव सीन न्यू मून टुडे, देन पूरा साइकिल चल गया, फुल मून तक पहुंच गए आप एंड ऑन द 29th डे देन यू विल अगेन सी द न्यू मून। पूरे 29 डेज के बाद आपको फिर न्यू मून दिखेगा। सो दैट इज हाउ द मून चेंजेस इट्स phases. Now there is a paragraph given on the left hand side of this topic, fact file. What is that fact file? Let's read. In 1969 Neil Armstrong became the first human to land and walk on the moon. His footprints on the moon will stay there forever. There is no air or water to blow them off. In 1969 there was a person called Neil Armstrong. He became the first human to land on the moon. ये पहला आदमी था जो मून पे गया था। And his footprints are still on the moon. उसके footprints अभी भी मून पे हैं and they will not vanish forever because there is no air and water on the moon that can blow its footprints. ना तो हवा चलती है वहां पे, ना पानी है, इसलिए उनके फुटप्रिंट्स बने ही रहेंगे मून के सरफेस के ऊपर। If anyone asks you who was the first person to land on the moon, that was Neil Armstrong. And in which year he landed? He landed in 1969. 1969. Name of the person was Neil Armstrong. Now our next topic is stars, that is on page number 131. Let's remember we are not going to do any book work because this chapter is not going to come in your exams. Stars, like the sun, stars are also huge balls of fire. They appear as tiny dots of light because they are very far away from us. The sun is also a star. It is the star closest to the earth. Now, like sun, stars, they are also huge balls of fire. As we have read, there is a fire that is burning in sun. The same way, fire is also burning in stars. They appear as tiny dots. बहुत छोटे दिखते हैं हमें because they are very far away from us. And the sun, it is also a star. It is the star closest to the earth. ये sun है, ये भी star है. And it is closest to earth, that is why it seems huge or big than the stars. Stars से तभी बड़ा दिखता है क्योंकि ये अर्थ के नजदीक है। To look at the moon and the stars in the night sky, we use an instrument called the telescope. A telescope helps us to see far off objects such as the stars, the moon and the planets clearly. There is one instrument named telescope. What is the use of this instrument? This instrument is used to see the far off objects. जो आप far off objects देखते हो, बहुत दूर के स्काई में देखते हो, like stars, sun, moon, your planets, they can be seen with the telescope. ऐसे हमको छोटे दिखाई देते हैं, but what is there inside them, जो भी है, that we can see only with the telescope. So what is the name of the instrument that is used to see far off objects? That is telescope.